One of the largest literature reviews in history in regards to depression was conducted a couple of months ago. The researchers looked over the data from 97 studies with over 120,000 participants in total and found that all forms of physical activity are up to 50% more effective than traditional therapy and medication. That's huge news. Because if you think about it, whenever we see people dealing with depression, the standard advice nowadays is to tell them to go and speak with someone. Sure, exercise and eating healthy are sometimes mentioned as well, but it's usually not the first thing we tell people to do. Now, I'm not saying therapy and medication don't work. They still do, but hey, if there is another solution that is technically free and now seems to be 50% more effective, then this should be the very first thing that we recommend people to do. We should be pushing people to work out and get some exercise. You know, throughout the years, I've spent hundreds of hours talking to people, trying to talk them into feeling better. Eventually, I kind of realized that we were going in circles. No matter what I would say, even if I could get them to feel better, it would usually only be for a fleeting moment, for essentially the length of the conversation plus some. On the other hand, exercise is very different. When you work out, there are many biological changes that happen within your body. You're flooded with feel-good neurotransmitters that have effects that can last for hours and even days after the workout. It's like nature's version of a drug that's natural, that's actually good for you, with basically no side effects, that's also free, that now turns out to be 50% more effective than the drugs the therapist prescribes to you for your depression. And according to this study, it doesn't have to be crazy full body workouts. They found that all types of physical activity could be beneficial. So that means just going out for a walk every day instead of staying at home all day could help you with your depression. But of course, I recommend some more intense forms of exercise, such as lifting weights, swimming, or going for a run. And that's it. I just wanted to let you know that you should be asking yourself if you're getting any exercise, if you've been feeling down in the dumps, instead of thinking that therapy and medication are the only answers. And just a disclaimer, this study focused on participants with mild to medium levels of depression. If you are someone with severe depression, it is still best to speak with someone first. Sticking to a habit of exercise when you're in a rut can be hard, but there are ways that you can do this easily, which actually brings us to the sponsors of today's video, Fiverr. Fiverr is a place where anyone can offer any service for a cost. This is a great place to find personal trainers, nutritionists, and even yoga teachers. We tried out some of their services ourselves to see how effective they were. Our assistant hired a personal trainer for a week, and she said it was great. She was able to work out more consistently. If you'd like to take advantage of the services Fiverr offers, you can use coupon code PILL or click on the link in the description box below to get 10% off any of the services on Fiverr. There are many other services you can explore, such as animators, editors, and even website developers. I hope you found this video helpful. Besides that, stay tuned.